video, we will discuss about the definition of drugs and the types of drugs. Drug is a substance that act on a living body to alter the physiological process and are used to prevention, diagnosis and control and treatment of diseases. The example of the drugs can be aspirin, morphine, amoxicillin, chlorpheniramine, tetracycline, etc. Crude drugs. Crude drugs is a type of drug, is a natural of origin and of plant, animal or mineral origin that is collected, dyeing and grinding, etc. but not chemically changed. The example of crude drug can be allium cepa, ethanol extract, etc. Official drugs. Any drug which is included in the current issue of a pharmacopoeias or in the formularies are called official drugs. The example can be paracetamol BP. Non-official drugs. The drugs has never been appeared in the pharmacopoeias or in the formularies are called non-official drugs. The example can be bupropion. Unofficial drugs. A drug that have been recognized in the pharmacopoeias or in the formularies but not included in the current issue are called the unofficial drugs. The example can be thalidomide. Controlled drugs. Some prescription medicines are in control under the misuse of drug legislation and subsequent amendments. These are called the controlled drugs. The example can be morphine. OTC, over the controlled drugs. OTC drugs are drugs that have been found to be safe and appropriate for use without the supervision of a healthcare professional such as physician. Over-the-counter drug is like giving the prescription is not mandatory. These drugs are sometimes approved under applications like new prescription drugs, but more often they are legally marketed without any application by the following regulation. The example can be paracetamol, antacids, aspirin, mouthwashes, some types of eye drops, first aid creams and ointments that contains antibiotics are some example of OTC. Me Too drug. The drug which is structurally very similar to the already known drugs with only a minor pharmacological differences. The example can be omeprazole. Legend drugs. Medication which may be dispensed only upon legal prescription are referred to as a prescription drugs or legend drugs. The example can be atenolol. Narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs are the drugs which act on the CNS to release pain but produce narcosis and addiction. The example can be morphine and heroin. Dangerous drugs. Drugs which form a habit, dependence and addiction after prolonged use. Example can be barbiturates, morphine, etc. Non-biological drugs. Drugs which are obtained by synthesis or semi-synthesis are termed as non-biological drugs. Example can be paracetamol, aspirin, etc. The nature of our drugs can be explained by the acidic and the basic. Acidic drugs are aspirin, barbiturates, cloxacillin, diazepam, diclofenac. And the basic drugs are digoxin, isoprenyl, penicillin and atropine. Thank you for your patient listening.